What's up, everybody? I was gonna do a little quick update video. I haven't done much inside the caboose lately, but I wanted to little showcase the pulpwood loads that I just made. They're made out of, you can see where they're 2mm. Let's see, where's the 3mm at? There's some 3s right there. 3mm, 4mm, and very few 5mm bamboo skewers. Got them, dyed them, or excuse me, stained them all at one time, and then I put them in a little chopper and I chopped them up individually at 4.5 scale feet wide, and I think they look pretty good. But I just finished 2 cars. One car alone took 37 12-inch skewers. And that's, you know, a variety of 2, 3, 4, and very few 5mm skewers. But to me, they turned out and I think they look great. And over here on the other side, I've got a communications building with the antenna up, which I just found out after I created it, built it, 3D printed it, and a fell off of Facebook was really nice, and I asked out if anybody still made the BLMA towers. He had 2 of them that he generously sold me, and that's what that tower is. But after I installed everything in, dropped it in, glued, I found out that that tower and that communication stuff was put in after the Southern and NNW merger, which, whatever, I'll keep it where it's at. So, but it was really nice working on that thing by itself, just because I had a piece of 1/4-inch plexi that I glued everything to. Like, I glued it to the building, glued the tower itself to it, and I was just able to come out here with it in one piece, just set it down, put the ballast around or gravel around, and the fence was glued to it as well. And then I redid the dirt road coming into it. And the dirt road is actually the, what's this stuff? I don't have a jar. I got, this is AK Light Earth. It goes down as a paste. It's pretty neat stuff. I'll definitely find its great uses here and there. But in general, I've got a little walking trail in the background. These were from Scenery Express. The static grass is all from WW Scenics. The tufts in the foreground are from Martin Wellberg. And one little cool thing I did, these coconut husks, this little shrubbery right here, that's actually coconut husk from a plant bowl. Got it out. Now there's a bunch of YouTube videos out there where they show how they made it and whatnot, and I just copied it, and it makes a little great hedgerow for the background. But I plan on continuing the scenery after, right where that Amtrak locomotive is. I'm gonna build the Saluda Depot from scratch. I'm gonna place it there, and once I have it set, you know, in the scenery around it the way it's supposed to be, and I'm gonna finish the top of the mountain. I gotta finish the road, redo the top, because I took apart the mountain itself to work on the tunnel, and it's still a work in progress. And I actually used the front of the tunnel fascia. The front of the tunnel is actually the AK weathering concrete. And so I'll just, you know, do some light weathering and whatnot for it. Actually tunnel, I line the tunnel as well with that AK. Let's see if we can get it zoom. I don't know, but I actually did the inside of the tunnel as well. So that way when the train will drive through, it looks like it's going through a concrete tunnel, concrete line tunnel. But focus. Other than that, not much else has gone on in here. I've done a lot of train running just from my two boys wanting to come in here, and you can tell what they want to run. But it's a work in progress. We're getting it. Thanks for watching.